Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I have as many as 19 industries who we will be issuing the letter of intent tomorrow formally for them to put up the industry to move ahead, and that itself is going to approximately generate employment of almost 14,000, and with the investment of covering almost 5,000 crores, this 19 industry. Now this is just the preliminary response. Goa can be a huge logistical hub provided we plan well and we start well. I want to say with this industrial policy, we have made a very good beginning which is bound to give result, and in fact I would say we'll have two airports functioning, one Dabolim as well as Mopa, and logistics is one industry which I think can be built in Goa in a very nice manner, and that is what would be our endeavor.